Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So, guys, welcome to all of you in another new video. In today's video, we will see how to send emails using PHP. Without further delay, let's start the video. So, guys, first of all, you all need to start your Apache server. After the Apache server has started, we need to install PHP Mailer. For those who don't know what PHP Mailer is. PHP Mailer is an open-source popular library used for sending emails. To download PHP Mailer, open your terminal and run the command, composer require PHP Mailer. For those who don't know what Composer is a PHP package manager. It's a tool that manages libraries and dependencies for PHP applications. Composer helps you easily include external libraries. To download Composer, open your browser and search for Composer. The first website that appears is getcomposer.org, open that. After opening the website, you'll see two options, Getting Started, and Download. Click on the Getting Started button, scroll down a bit, and here you'll see the system requirements. If your PHP version is below 7.2.5, Composer might not work well. To download Composer, go to the download page, click on the link, composersetup.x, and Composer will be downloaded. To install Composer, open the downloaded file, click on the Run button, and you'll see two options here, Install for all users and Install for me only. It's recommended to choose the first option, and click on the Next button. After that, your Composer will be installed. Now, let me tell you one more thing, how you can download the XAMPP server. After that, we'll jump into the coding part. To download XAMPP, search for XAMPP in your browser, and the first site that appears is apachefriends.org, open that. Here, you'll see the download options. Download it according to your system. If you want to check your PHP version, type localhost in your browser, and you'll see the PHP dashboard. Click on the PHP info button, and you'll get all the information related to your PHP. So, guys, now let's move on to the coding part. So guys, first, we add the PHP tag and require the autoload.php file, and create a variable with the name, email, that will store the receiver's email. So guys, for the email ID we are using for email sending, we need to generate an app password. To generate an app password, open your Google Chrome and go to this URL, myaccount.google.com/u/1. After opening this URL, go to the Security page and from there, click on Two-Step Verification. After that, select the same email ID that we provided in PHP. Then, enter the account password and log in. Scroll down, and from here, we need to generate an app password. To generate an app password, click on the App Password box, enter any app name, click on the Create button, and copy this app password to paste it in the password variable in PHP. So guys, let's see the final result, whether it's working or not. There might be some mistakes in the code, so let's correct them and then see the final result. So guys, it's working. If you have any problems related to this topic, feel free to mention them in the comments, and I will definitely reply. That's all for today's video. See you in another new video. Till then, bye.